Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss one more example of doing left factoring. We know the meaning of left factoring. If more than one production consists of the common prefix, so it is very difficult to identify which right side of the production you need to consider. To avoid such a problem, we are doing left factoring. Now, observe how we are doing the factoring. S tends to what is the common prefix? Observe A. Now here B is also there, but in this production B is not there. Each and every production consists of the common. So what I am doing, S tends to A, some S dash. S tends to A, some S dash. Now this S dash is replaced with the remaining part. What are the remaining part? Either B or the remaining part BC or the remaining part BCD. Here the remaining part, even though that is not means epsilon. Clear? The left factoring is eliminated in the first step. Suppose if you consider this production again this production has a left factoring. So this production has a common prefix B. We need to eliminate. How? S dash tends to B S double dash. B S double dash epsilon. Now this S double dash is replaced with the remaining part, either C or CD or here epsilon. You got it? So this is included, and in this production again we have common prefixes. What I am doing? I am eliminating, that is I am doing the left factoring. By doing the left factoring B S double dash, this double dash S either epsilon or the remaining part C or the remaining part CD. This is also fine. Now again if you observe this production, here again we have common prefix C comma C. Now what I am doing? S double dash tends to C. Suppose S some triple dash slash epsilon. Again the same logic. S triple dash is replaced with either D or epsilon. The remaining part is D, the remaining part is epsilon. Now everything is clear. Now what is the final grammar? The final grammar is S tends to A S dash. Now this S dash tends to B S double dash epsilon. Now this S double dash tends to C S triple dash epsilon. Now S some triple dash tends to D comma epsilon. Now consider any example. Sir, I want the string ABCD. How do you get ABCD? First I am moving to this one, A S dash. From this I am getting A. Now S dash is replaced with this one, B S double dash. S double dash is replaced with this one, A B C. Now triple dash is replaced with D. Suppose I want only A B C. What you are doing? First to move to this one. S dash is replaced with this one, I am getting AB. S double dash is replaced with this one, I am getting C also. Now triple dash is replaced with epsilon, I am getting only ABC. You got it? So according to our requirement, whatever the string we want, so for that we are using left factoring. Suppose if I am not doing left factoring, what happened? I need the string ABCD. But while parsing, at a time we know only one input symbol, that is in the string ABCD. First I know only A. Now which one I need to consider? Actually I don't know whether required ABCD or not. I know only A. So okay, A matched, I consider this production. After that here B is there, but there is no expansion. Simply backtrack. I am moving to this one, again backtrack, moving to this one, again backtrack. You got the point? That is, we are doing the worst case 3 times we are doing the mistake. To avoid such a situation, I am doing left factoring. If you are doing the left factoring, if I need only A, no problem, A, this S dash is replaced with epsilon. Got it? This is the advantage of doing left factoring. Thank you.